How to send photos in TikTok message. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and launch your TikTok application and make sure it is up to date. From here, tap on the inbox section and select a conversation you want to send a photo in. In the message tab, you should find this photo icon. You just have to tap on it. Then your gallery will pop up where you can send photos and videos. Select a photograph that you want to send and wait until it is sent completely. And as you can see, the photo has been sent to the person. If this feature is not available for you, there might be certain reasons. If your TikTok is banned or if the feature is not available in your region, you may not be able to access this photograph feature. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, sometimes this feature just might not load, or it might be a glitch or a bug issue. To solve that, exit from your TikTok app, press and hold the TikTok application and go to App Info. Force stop your application to fix the bug, then tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, now you can go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store and check for your TikTok application. Now tap on it. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, the last resort will be uninstalling the application and reinstalling it once again. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.